Now we are going to see about the third sum. Find the first term and the common difference. Okay, first term means you are going to find out A and D is the common difference of the arithmetic progression whose nth term are given below. So what they mention, Tn formula. We already know the Tn formula. Arithmetic equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, I don't know my D value. I can know by comparing this. What is my first term? First term equal to minus 3. That's okay. That's fine. But I don't know how can I find out my D value. I don't know, right? So if I am putting my n, T1, if I putting my n equal to 1 means substitute minus 3 plus 2 into 1. Minus 3 plus 2. I am getting minus 1 for your T1. T2, how much we are getting? T2 minus 3 plus 2 into 2. The given equation. Okay. So I am getting minus 3 plus 4. How much you are getting? Positive 1. So common difference, how can we find out? The common difference D equal to T2 minus T1, right? What is a T2? T2 is a 1. T1 is a minus 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So therefore, what's the D value equal to 2? That is by using this, same for a second sum. Okay. So find the 19th term of an AP minus 11. So the given AP. The given and AP is minus 11, minus 15, minus 19, keep on going. Okay. So by using T 19th term, so what formula we are going to do? Say AP formula. So formula, in general formula, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What's the A value? First term. A is equal to first term, so minus 11. What is the D value? Difference between. They already given this is the AP sequence. So directly you can find out whether it's equal or not, no worry. So minus second term is T2 minus T1, that's equal to minus 15 minus of minus 11. So minus 15, minus into minus, plus 11 comparatively. So subtracting this 4. So bigger number sign is a minus, so minus 4. Okay, I know my D value, my A value. So substitute that value. So what is a term we are going to find out? T 19. That's equal to, we already know the general formula A. A is a minus 11 plus what? 9. N minus 4 minus 1 into, sorry, your N value is a 19. In this place already they mentioned, right? This is your N. 19th term. So what's the D value? Minus 4. So calculate and get the answer. Okay. So what is the value we are having? This place I am having minus 11 plus subtracting this we are getting 18. So I can write minus into plus minus. So multiplication into 4. So minus 11 minus. So 18 into 4 how much? 18 into 4. 4 8s are 4 8 is 32. So 3 4 1s are 4 plus 72. So 72. So 72 and 11. Both is a negative. So adding the number and put the sign negative. So 3 8. So what's the final answer? Minus 83. So T19 the term is minus 83. That's when they are asking. Okay. This is for your fourth sum. Then your fifth sum is which term of a AP 16 11 6 11 6 1 is minus 54. Which term is minus 54? Okay. So they directly given my Tn equal to minus 54. I don't know which term it is. I don't know. but they given the sequence is this 16, 11, 6, 1. So my Tn value is 54. Which term is they asking? Which n is this is? They are going to find out. So this is my A value is equal to 16. What is my D? D equal to T2 minus T1. So 11 minus 16, what we are getting? Minus 5. So that's equal to D equal to minus 5. Okay. So what's the formula? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is the Tn value? Minus 54. We are going to find out a n value. They didn't mention this is the last value. That's why we are not using n formula. Just they mentioned in the sequence is minus 54 some terms. I don't know which term it is. That's when they're asking. That's why we are using this term. So that's equal to, we also A value 16 plus, what's the n value? We don't know. Say n minus 1 into minus 5. Minus 54, the 16 is going that place. Minus 16 equal to, multiply inside this. So n minus 1 into minus 5. So it's addition of this. Because both is a negative sign, right? So adding this, so 0, balance 1, 6, 7, so 70 is equal to multiplication minus 5n, minus into minus plus 5. Okay, this 5 is going that place. So 70 minus 5 equal to minus 5n. So how much we are getting? Minus 75 equal to minus 5n. So minus will get cancelled. I can write 5n equal to 75. That implies n equal to this multiplication moving the place division. So cancelling this. So 2, 5. So what's the n value? N is equal to 15. So which term it is? The 15th term is minus 54. Okay. So then find the middle term of an AB. So first of all, you know about a nth term only. Which one is the middle of this? Because they mentioned first term and last term. If you're giving first term and last term means what you are using? We have another formula. First term is 9. Last term, that should be mentioned L. 183. What's the D? D is equal to T2 minus T3. What's the T2? 15 minus 9. Subtracting this, how much you are getting? How much you are getting? Obviously 6. So what's the D value is equal to 6. I know A value, D value and L value. What is the formula we know? Middle term. I don't know middle term. So you are going to find out a n. So what is the n formula? N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Right? This is a formula. We already did. So L minus A by D plus 1. Okay. If you are having a first term and last term, we can use this formula. So what is the L? 183 minus first term by D plus 1. Okay. So subtracting this, how much we are getting? 183 minus 9. So we are getting 4, 7. So 174. So I am getting 174 by 6 plus 1. Whether it is cancelling in 6 table or not. Okay, 174 in 6 table, the 1 time, then 12 for 2 time. So balance obviously 5. So 54 for 9 time. So how much you are getting? 29 plus 1. So what's the n? So 30. So 30th term is this. Okay, n is equal to, totally I am getting 30 terms. Totally I am getting 30 terms. Find the middle term they are asking. So what is a middle term? Obviously in 30, 15 only we said, right? But in this place we are taking something 9, 15, 21. If you are having a order means you can say it's a 15, but we don't have a order, right? It's some numbers 9, 15 like that we are taking. The difference is 6. So obviously it may having 15 or 16, that difference. Therefore the middle term, they are asking the middle term, find the middle term may be 15 or and 16th term. Okay, so you are going to find out your 15th and 16th term, because I know my A value and my D value by using that. So T15 means which term? Formula, Tn formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is my n15? So what's my A value? I know 9 plus what my n value? We already know 15 minus 1. What's the D value? 6. Okay, so 9 plus subtracting, so 14 into 6, so 9 plus 6 4s are 24, 4 balance 2, 6, 84. So addition of this, how much you are getting? 93 for n15. Then n16 you are going to find out. n16, what's the A value? 9 plus 16 minus 1 into S6. Okay, so 9 plus this is what? So next term means the difference is 6, means you can directly add and write also, no problem. So 16, so 15 into 6, so 9 plus 0, 3, 9, so 99. Okay, if you know the 15th term means you can add this D, because the D value, common difference we know. So you can find out the next term directly also. You can add T16 equal to T15 plus D also, the one of the method you can add. Okay, that's also same answer. Okay, therefore the middle term are 93